Differential equations, 2007, question 10a. Says type 1, first order differential equations. We're asked here to solve the equation dy dx is equal to y squared sine x, and we're given y is equal to 1 when x is equal to pi over 2. So we start by separating out our dy dx into y on the left and x on the right. So therefore that gives me 1 over y squared dy is equal to sine x dx. We're going to integrate both sides. So of course y squared can be written, 1 over y squared can be written as y to the power of minus 2. And we need to look at our limits then. So our limits at the start are that x is equal to pi over 2 when y is equal to 1. And at the end, we don't know either. So x will just be x and y will just be y. So if I put in my end limits are my upper limits, and my start limits are my lower limits, then if I integrate y to the power of minus 2, I'm going to add 1 to the power and divide by that new power, then the limits of 1 and y. If I integrate sine x, well, I can see up here on page 26 in my maths tables, that's going to be minus cos x. And that's within the limits of x and pi over 2. So therefore that's going to become minus 1 over y minus 1 over 1 is equal to minus cos x minus cos pi over 2. So we have minus 1 over y plus 1 is equal to minus cos x plus, and cos pi over 2 is 0. So therefore that gives me minus 1 over y is equal to minus 1 minus cos x. If I multiply across by minus 1 and divide across by 1 plus cos x and multiply across by y, I end up with y is equal to 1 over 1 plus cos x. So we have 5 for setting up our integrands, y for integrating, 5 for integrating, 5 for rearranging, and 5 for our answer.